What is going on, guys? Solid Nate back again with another market commentary video. It's really windy out here today, but you guys did not come for that. Anyways, speaking of wind and storms, stock market is looking okay today. Today is Friday, May 12th, 2022. And we've had a brutal run lately, last week and then this week, and we're finally showing some signs, especially in shitty stocks, that the market's kind of bottoming out. Today you have Beyond Meat that's up like 30%. It's like, why? Terrible stock. I've actually had some of that, and I've been kind of a longer-term investor with it. But, their last earnings report, I saw that and I was just like, what the heck am I even doing holding this thing? They grew their revenue by like 1.2%. It's like, that's not good enough when you're losing all this money. You guys got to be at least growing revenue by, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100% to show some signs of hope. If you're not even growing your revenue, you're just going to be dying forever. You're going to have to raise more capital and just keep on losing money and burning cash. It's like, wow. But today, for some reason, they're buying the stock like crazy. So that just shows that the market is showing a sign of being at a bottom. And some of these stocks like Beyond Meat, Rivian, Affirm have been really badly beaten up. And so people are expecting that they'll be the ones that recover quickest because they just have lost so much value. I hope that's going to happen for Netflix if this continues too, because that's where a big chunk of my money is sitting. But yeah. Anyway, today we had a massive rally in the S&P. It got up to like, I think 2.7% high, 2.7% increase. And then it started to fade, and I expect it's going to keep fading. I would think we're going to have a positive close today, but not by much. I'm kind of thinking we're going to have like maybe a 0.5% close up. And next week, I think it's just going to probably kind of keep selling. I don't think it's possible to be as bad as the last string of a couple weeks has been. Because yeah, especially with the crappy stocks like Affirm and Beyond Meat, they've been down 20% a day. 20% a day. It's like, okay. I mean, these things are just going to go to zero here pretty soon. But yeah, they showed some signs of recovering. So it's really a tough call. We kind of know the Fed's plan. 2 more 50 basis point rate increases at the next 2 meetings. And then 0.25% going forward. Man, my car's about to blow over. Holy cow. Anyway, so, interest rates are really going to be up there. They really will. And there's a lot of talk about recessions or a recession if that happens. And by the way, we're already halfway to a recession. We had negative GDP growth last quarter. We just need one more quarter. I'm thinking we probably will be in a recession. I just don't know how the market's going to react to that, because they might start rallying once that number comes out, just because, okay, we're in this. This is the bottom. Let's all get in. Like, the market's very, they do not want to wait around to get in or get out. The market's so volatile. It really is. So that's why it's best just to do the standard thing, You buy index funds and just keep your money there, and that's the best thing to do. Do most of us do that? Probably not. But that probably is, the best thing to do. I think we'd probably be doing better than if we were doing whatever we're doing too. I know in my case I would be. If I would just have my money in index funds and never touch it, I would be performing way better than I performed this year for sure. That may not have been true last year, though, because, I got super lucky with certain things like GameStop. Wow. But anyway, guys, that's all I'm going to say for now. My main advice is just to tread lightly. I don't know. There will be a bottom at some point. It's probably pretty soon, but we don't know when that is. So be careful, pick good stuff, and don't go bankrupt. Talk to you guys later.